Hello everyone, it's Mrs. D here. Okay, so I wanted to set up our experiment, our yeast experiment, based on what happened in class today. So I changed the protocol slightly because we were seeing that weird effect where tube 1 was producing gas, but the exact same setup with tube 2 was not producing any gas. So I wanted to change the protocol slightly and see if that made a difference. So what did I do here? Tubes 1, 2, 3, and 4 are sitting in front of you left to right. I filled each test tube halfway with warm water. Then I massed out 1 gram of dry yeast and added it to each test tube and let that dissolve a little bit into that water. Then I added about 1 to 2 centimeters of warm water on top of that dry yeast to each test tube. Then for tubes 3 and 4, I put the balloons on the top and put my thumb over the balloons and then shook each of those test tubes slightly just to get the yeast totally dissolved. And then let those 2 tubes sit there. But to tubes 1 and 2, I opened a packet of sugar and I poured half the packet into tube 1 and the other half of the packet in tube 2. And then I did the same thing with the balloons. I put them on top and held my thumb over the top of the test tube and shook them and let them sit there. Now, I've been watching these for 15 minutes. I have to do another, make another measurement right now. But you can clearly see that tubes 1 and 2 are producing gas, looks like about the same rate, and 3 and 4 are not producing any gas. The balloons are not raising at all. And you can also see in tubes 1 and 2 all the gas bubbles being formed. Now, what the heck was that? Did you guys, I hope you saw that balloon like suddenly like deflated. But all those gas bubbles are produced in tubes 1 and 2, and then in tubes 3 and 4, you cannot see any gas being produced. So this balloon collection method also might not be the best way to trap gas. But it looks like that balloon, the yellow balloon, is raising again. But I'm going to take another measurement right now, and then we can talk about it in class again, what's going on, or how to better design this experiment. Thank you. Bye.